Hey there, this is Byron, and there's some things about the stock market that you need to know. You need to know the pronunciations and what these detailed things mean because you don't want to just throw your money into the stock market because you can lose everything if you don't know what you are doing. So you need to know the terminologies and you need to know what to look for when it comes to stocks. But don't forget the other stocks that I told you to invest in. I'm doing the legwork for you, but if you can't get to my videos, I want you to know exactly what to do, the terminologies of the stock and what these things mean. It is very, very important. So stay with me. I'm going to teach you exactly what to do. Here we go. Okay, you need to know what price to earnings mean. That's PE ratio. You're going to see that on every stock. That's very important. I'm not going to give you the definition of it, but it's something you need to learn before you get your first stock. That's just one thing. The next thing is how dividends work. Dividends is very important. Dividends is a payout, a quarterly payout on certain stocks. They pay different dollar amounts. That's like free money in your pocket. You need to learn about that too. And you could Google all these things that I'm telling you, but this is very important before you buy your first stock, because I don't want anybody to fail when it comes to the stock market. It's the greatest form of wealth. The stock market is, but you have to know what you're doing. It could be the greatest form of wealth, or it could be your greatest loss too. It's gambling, but it's the safest way of gambling if you know what you're doing and you do your research. The next thing you need to learn is the caps. You got your mega cap, which is like over 200 billion in capitalization. Then you got your large cap, which is from 10 billion to 200 billion. Then you got your mid cap, which is from 2 billion to 10 billion. I'm trying to remember all this. It's a lot of things to remember, but you have to remember this stuff. This stuff is very important. Then you got your small cap, which is like 125 million to 2 billion. And then you got your, I think it's, hold it, micro cap, which is from, I got, 50 million to 300 million. You got to understand how that affects the stock. These are things that you have to learn, and terminologies, things like that. And here goes some more. I'm not going to keep you long, but I want you to know this stuff before you buy your stock, because everybody's trying to get in the stock market, but they don't know what they're doing. I'm trying to teach you the beginning of how to do and what to look for before you buy your stock and before you get in the stock market. Of course, you want to get your online brokerage account. You want to get that, your online brokerage account. And then for beginners, I would say try to get ETFs or index funds. It's just a bunch of people buying a collection of companies. That's all it is. But it's really safer because those companies are pretty good. Think about that right there. Just do ETFs or index funds. That's a lot safer than trying to go out and get a Walmart or Amazon by itself, because if Walmart or Amazon goes down, you can lose money. See, I'm a professional short-term investor. That's what I do. Now, I will buy Walmart and Amazon because I know the trends. I know when it's going to go down and I know when it's going to go up. But as a beginner, it's safer just get an index fund or ETF. That's safe for you. That's the first thing you want to do. And if you keep on investing in that index fund or ETF, you will make money and you will become a millionaire. I trust you. But that's the safest way to start out until you learn some of the other things to look for, which I'm trying to teach you. And yeah, that's the safest way to go. And you want to do this also. You want to decide what type of investor do you want to be. It's like four types of investors. You got your speculators. You have your long term. Well, it's a bunch of different styles, but I'm just talking the basics. You have your short term, which I am, and you have your dividend investors. People invest in certain stocks just for that dividend check, which is, if you know what you're doing, it is effective. Of course, you got your options, cryptocurrency, futures, bonds, all that stuff. You can do that too. But you got to decide what you want to do when it comes to the stock market. Don't just say, I'm going to get into the stock market. Don't do that. You have to know which direction you want to go once you get in the stock market. But when it comes to short-term investing, I am the best. I think I am the best in the world at this. I'm making money for so many different people, and I can teach you short-term investing. The basic things you want to look at is what the analysts are telling you, what the news says, what the volume increase or decrease. You want to look at so many different things. You want to look at the one day, how's it been going? Because when it comes to short-term investing, You can make money every second, every minute, every day, every week. You can make money that quick. It's called get rich quick. And that's what I do. Every time I give some advice when it comes to a stock, the person make money. And I make money as well. So it works out for both of us. And that's what I'm going to do tomorrow. Today is, I think, December 14th, 2025. I think on December 15th, I'm going to have another stock for you where you can make money. See, everything I'm teaching you, you really don't have to know because I'm doing the legwork for you. I'm going to look at the EP ratio. I'm going to look at the PE ratio. I'm going to look at the EPS. I'm going to look at the volume. I'm going to look at what the analysts say. And I'm going to do all the judgment. And then I'm going to present a certain stock to you. And then you can make money. That's all you have to do is buy the stock and make money. But the first thing you have to do is subscribe to my videos so my videos can get to you immediately. Or like and share my videos too. You can share with other people too. Don't be selfish. Share my videos with other people too so they can make money as well. I want everybody to make money because that's my calling. And like I said, I don't want anything in return. I want to teach you the stock market like I'm doing now, but that's harder to do than me just going out and getting a stock for you so you can make money, and that's easier for you. Just make the money. You don't have to study no stocks. You don't have to look at the volume. You don't have to look at nothing. All you have to do is look at the stock that I said and buy it. It's up to you how many shares you buy. And one thing you have to realize, that's my heater going off, you got to excuse me. But one thing you have to realize, stocks do not stay good forever. Everybody think when it comes to the stock market, when it starts to go up, that's a good stock. No, that's not true. See, that's where people get confused. When the stock starts to go down and it's a strong stock, that's when it becomes a good stock. It's weird how it works, and I already know this. A lot of people don't know this. They see a stock going up, they say, oh, I got to jump in and buy it. And guess what? They lose so much money. That's not how the stock market works. I'm trying to teach you Stock 101, the basics of the stock market. It's the greatest form of wealth, and I'm trying to teach you how to get in and be successful. So first of all, please like, subscribe, and share my video, please. Because I'm a black man, like I said, in a white market, but I am very successful in doing this, and I don't want anything in return. That's what I want you to understand. I don't want anything in return. I just want to make money for you. Tell me what you think about this video, and give me your opinion on this video, because I am a child of God, and I believe in doing people right, not harming anyone. Now, if you make $1 million and you want to throw some money my way, that's fine too. But like I said, leave me your opinion and leave comments. If you want me to contact you, you can leave it on my email address, or you can leave it on my comments section. So I can make money for you continually. Oh, I keep on hitting my camera. I'm sorry. I keep on bumping my camera. But it's just something to think about. So anyway, I'm going to have another hot stock for you tomorrow, which is going to be December 16th, and 2025. And look at my other videos too, because I had some stocks up there that's pretty good, like Victoria's Secrets. It's still making money. And Five Below is still making money. I brought all those stocks out last week, but they made so much money. See, the entry point is gone. The exit point is almost there. See, when stocks start to go up, all these stocks I'm giving everybody, they making money off those stocks. The stocks are starting to go up. But guess what? Once the stocks start to go up to a certain peak, it levels off. You stop making money, and you got to be careful with those stocks right now. Wait for me to come out with another stock, which will be in a couple of days, and I will make money for you. But give me a chance. First of all, leave comments. Talk to me. Keep in contact with me. I answer all my comments. I answer them all. I'm very humble. I think I'm the best in the world in this, best in the world at this. I'm not cocky, but I'm very confident. I could teach you so much about the stock market. I made a videotape on swing trading, options trading. I made videotapes on so many different styles of stock, cryptocurrency, everything. This is my gift. This is what I do 24 hours a day. I want to thank you for all your support. Thank you, God Almighty, for giving me this support. And thank you, YouTube, for giving me the platform to make this video and show my professionalism when it comes to the stock market. But I'm going to see you guys soon, probably tomorrow, to have another hot stock for you. So make sure you watch my video tomorrow or the day after. I'm not sure which one, because if there's not a hot stock tomorrow, I don't just throw a stock out there. I want to make sure you make money on the stocks that I say. Don't listen to nobody else. Don't listen to nobody else. I'm telling you, they just want you to get in their company, or they want some money in return. They want something from you. I don't want nothing from you. I just want you to make money. That's all. And thank you. I'll see you soon.